Yo, hello guys, and welcome back again to another video. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to get listed on Wikipedia. So basically, Wikipedia is like, as all we know, is an information source that everyone goes to when they need some information. Of course, this Wikipedia website is not like for some company or etc. It is for everyone, and everyone can use it, edit it, or even list their own ideas on it. So how you can actually list something on Wikipedia? Basically, what you will have to do is go to Wikipedia, and second you open the first page. Now what you will have to do is simply uh, you can just write a book, or you can go here and create an account. Here you put your username, password, here you confirm your password, and here your email. So let's try this out. For example, let's write here we put, for example, the password. Here we do something like that. Here we do something like so, and here we put our email, which will be something like that. I think will be good. So I think that's good. Here we can make that's for fun. Okay, and we add some numbers. No, okay, we can make it something like that. And yeah, that's good. So now what we're going to do is add this captcha. So let's make it up, and here we go. We created now our account on Wikipedia. So now we tell them why we want to create, well, we created our account. So basically we can tell them why we created our account by for example for here for so we choose this one for create or modify an information on an article on here. So if you have already created, so we say yes, and here you put the language, so we put English. Okay, sorry guys. Here we choose English and finish. Now we go to the home page, and now I will show you how you can create your first article. So basically what you can do is go here to your here and open this up, and okay, and here what you have to do is just write whatever you like, and then you click on publish. Right after you click on publish, you will be listed on Wikipedia, and everyone then will be able to see your page and read it and get the informations out of it. So yeah guys, that's how you can actually go and get listed on Wikipedia. So thank you a lot for watching, and see you in the next video.